Okay, so we are now at the end of this 6 days program. Thank you all. Thank to all of you that you are here, and you are here for all the 6 days, and also in the exams means there's a very good number of participants. So it's great to see that all of you sort of attended the exam. So we are extremely thankful to Professor Ravi Sheth, who kindly agreed to be here, and for all the last 6 days, not only his lectures, I think he has spent more time than his lectures for discussion and explaining all the students with all the patients, and so it's a great to have Ravi here as a lecturer, and we believe at some point again we can have him here, another set of lectures.
When does Ravi?
So this is a program from the Ministry of Human Resource and Development, Government of India. So we are thankful to them that they funded this program. It's actually benefited a lot of students, not this program, but earlier program also. We are very much thankful to the Jamia administration that they helped us, especially the Jamia GIAN coordinator, Professor Aman Jairajpuri, who at every point of time helped me to get all the documents, to get at the proper time, and everything are ready in time. I'm extremely grateful, and special thanks to our official staff, Mr. Aryu Khan, Mr. Jakir, then Amir, Ilyas is not here, the Faisal is not here. So for last 1 month, they are helping me a lot. Means from any time, means all the mails that you received by Mr. Aryu Khan, and everything that it goes smoothly, means they took a lot of effort to do this thing. Without them, I cannot do this thing. Some of my students helped me a lot, like Bikash, Ruchika, Azam. Azam is not here, so I'm thankful to them. And I just, before distributing you the certificates, I just ask our director, Professor Sami, to say a few words to the participant.
It's great to see smiles on your faces after this course ends. Actually, thanks to Ravi. See, I always used to think that probably Chinese people are better. It's because all Chinese great people are associated with Chinese universities. Not today, from the times of Li and Yang. And in Chinese university, all these Chinese professors working there, they are associated with Chinese universities. They have their cabin here and formal job there. Now they don't pay them regularly, and when the professors come, so their cabin is there. They'll spend 1 month, maybe 10 days. They'll pay them to and fro fare and 1 month salary. And then. See, it's because the Chinese government is doing this. That is why they are coming. This is the first occasion this global initiative of academic network, this platform came up, and our Indian experts, eminent people abroad, they are coming to our rescue. So our people love us. See, that is why leaving his family and their family, they come, and this is the only way we can grow. See. Institutes, I am not talking about research institutes, they have enormous funding. Whatever they are doing, let them. But what they don't have young people around. They have postdocs, they have some few students. So they don't have large number of young minds around. We have. That is the only thing the universities have. Most of our research institute people never came to our rescue. Tata Institute people never come to our rescue. The IUCA, when IUCA came up, actually this center was created because due to the support of Jayant Narlikar. Because he is the person who created IUCA. He is the person who always thinks about university sector. Let me tell you, when I was coming back from IUCA, he asked me, so what you will do now? I said, there is no one to talk to in Jamia, 2005. Then I spoke to Naresh Dadich, who was became the director thereafter. He spoke in HRI. HRI people tried and agreed to give me a job, and I was very happy. So Jayendra Narlikar invited me before I came here, and he said, "You look very happy." I said, "Yes, I have some offer from HRI." He was very angry, let me tell you. He said, "I am not happy. This is not the reason why I invited you for 3 years. We hosted you for 3 years. Are you guys not TFR? You better go back to Jamia, and then I'll help you to create a facility there." When center was created, Jayendra Narlikar came, was very happy, he inaugurated this. So we need such people. And thanks to them, actually, eminent people like Ravi, they are coming to our rescue. So I am sure Ravi is here, not for the first time, but he will come to us in future. And more GIAN programs will be in pipeline. There will be probably on inflation, maybe on massive gravity by Andrew Tolley. I am trying to convince him. So the center will be doing. But center actually cannot do without their support. The center doesn't have great fundings. So now the government of India is trying to do that. So I am very happy that you learned a lot. I am sure you do. So I must thank you once again for his support. Thank you.
So I just request Ravi to share few words. What's his experience here for last 6 days? So if you have,
Well, so honestly, I haven't had time to think right about this, but it's been really fantastic. I was completely surprised and happy about how many questions there were about everything, and this is not the end, because I've given a whole bunch of data that we should have done in the discussion section. So I've given a write-up to Anjan. If you have questions about that, send to me, because what we did on slides, that's half the work. The other half is actually doing stuff, either calculating or playing with data. And that is always has its own surprises, some not welcome. And so you should just email me if you have questions about that. Yeah? Thanks a lot for your patience with me. Thanks for all the questions, and thanks a lot for the invitation. And as I said before, on the first day, I think you're selling yourself short by saying you need the help from the outside. It's nice that the outside comes, but you guys are great. And that's what brings the outsiders here. And so, thank you.
And may I request some of the participants just to share a few words? Whatever, means like any of you can volunteer, means few of you. It will be great. Especially people who are from outside Jamia. Just come and say a few words. It's just how you like the course and how things. Who will come? Akanksha, come.
Yes, so this is the second course. We people are here for a GIAN course. And like before, the organization was very good. So everything was very good. And we would like to thank Ravi, because you've been very patient. We took away your tea sessions also. So you've been very patient with the questions. And there were a lot of new things we learned. And often it's not possible to cover such amount of information in 1 week if we do it by ourselves. So in that respect, the school has been very useful for us, and it exposed us to new fields. And thanks to Ruchika for for taking care of us, Anjan sir, and that's it. Thanks.
First of all, I'd like to thank CTP Jamia for organizing this. Delhi is a kind of a barren land for theoretical physics, and Jamia has been this great island of knowledge in that field. So I'd like to thank Professor Anjan, Professor Sami, and all the people who helped in organizing this school. Cosmology is a very it's a very hot field nowadays, because there's this confluence of data, simulations, and theory. So I think for someone like Professor Ravi Sheth, who is the pioneer of modern cosmology, at least in my book, to come here and teach the same things to us it's not only the pedagogy, but the inspiration that he provides by being here and by being available to all of us. So I'd like to thank him for a wonderful effort and infinite patience with all our questions. And yeah, the course was pretty well organized. We had such great course material. We had, like tea, lunch. So like the course was, the content was pretty good. The pacing was pretty good. The openness was pretty good. So yeah, it's been a very satisfactory experience over the last 6 days, and we hope for more such courses at Jamia. And I'd just like to put a big hand together for all the participants and Professor Ravi and everyone who organized this.
So thank you so much to CTP Jamia for organizing this. So I think I'm the youngest one here. I'm still an undergraduate, and I did not know what I thought when I applied for this, but this has turned out to be a phenomenal experience for me. It's so great to see so many people in the field that I want to pursue, because in my institute, there's literally just me. So it feels like a family of people that we have who are pursuing this field. The course was brilliant. I don't have to say anything about it. But there are a few key points that I picked up especially from Ravi while we were attending this, which is beyond the coursework. So one very, very cool thing that I realized was how humble Ravi is. So even after 3 hours of doubt sessions, if you go and ask him a doubt, he'll give you an inviting smile. And he will place any dumb doubt equally importantly with any smart doubt. So, this is something that I wouldn't have, I don't know, it is the first time I'm seeing this from a faculty. Because considering that he's been teaching the field, he has sort of created a lot of things in the field. And I don't know, years of eroding questions on the same topic again and again. It's just brilliant to see that this guy hasn't gotten bored of the naive questions even now. So that for me was a very good learning experience in life, not just for the course. So this was brilliant. And another good thing was I met so many cool people. So thank you Anjan sir, Sami sir, and especially Ravi sir. Thank you so much.
Good noon to everyone. It has been a great pleasure to be here. First time I'm learning actually cosmology, so most of the things is just going bounce over my head. But at the last time I got that some basic idea, means always when I was in MSc, I was heard that universes came from Big Bang, hot dense matter, everything. Here I got some ideas that what is Big Bang, and the study of cosmology has always been curious to me, because thinking going back to time, it's not so easy to everyone. But again, thank for all, and especially I enjoyed the all session. And Jamia was almost a good university. Professor Sen is also is a good person. First time I met with him, and the food was very good, sir. Also here, environment is very good, and pupils are very good here. Professor Sami, I talk with him. It's a really honor, because he's doing most good job in his field. So again, thank you, and again, Sir Ravi sir, thank you for doing so. And I hope that you will again come here, and inshallah, I will again come here so that I can get some extra knowledge in cosmology, because I am doing another field, but it's always interesting to know new things in physics, because physics is always new, and we should learn everything in physics, because life is only for once, and let's know everything, whatever we can in this life. So again, thank to everyone.
Can you just share, you are the senior most participant, can you share some words with us? Yeah.
First of all, thank you everyone, especially Sen and I am basically an atomic physics person, and it was completely new to me, this way of looking at a problem, especially spectrum analysis of data and things like that. And I had a little knowledge of cosmology, and after this class, I got some collaboration, plus I thought of starting new course, means an elective course in our department on cosmology. Maybe I may elaborate it a little bit more. Maybe I will split it into 2 or something like that, because we have the freedom of putting the syllabus and giving new courses. So I think that will be a good thing. As a faculty, I can start doing theory, and the students can work in their own research field. So it was very, very beneficial to me, and I thank everyone. And I need collaborations, and I almost have 2 students coming for cosmology. They are very much interested, and since we can have a data analysis and simulation thing possible, so students can also get some results quickly. So I hope this was very good for me, in the sense that I get into a new field, and I came for this and I got it. That's what I feel. And of course, I need collaborations and future help from you in any matter concerning this cosmology. And I am very thankful, and I am very happy. Okay, thank you.
Any of you? Or? No? Okay, so we can go for the certificate. So I request Professor Ravi and Professor Sami to just come here. No, you also come. So Munani Mansukh bhai. Ajay Basti. Akansha Kapatia. Aditya Vilay. Akshay Rana. Avnish.
With their fellow. There is a problem. So you come in between.
Vikash Ranjan Dinda.
I won't charge.
Dilpa Sharda. Dr. Radha Krishnan. Shivesh. Fazle Ahmed. Himanish. Kainat. Kirti. Madhya Mohammed. Manvendra. Mayuk.
Holding just the letter again.
Mohammad Moinuddin. Mohammad Moinuddin. Mohammad Tawseef Raja. Mohit Kumar Srivastav. Mustafizur Rahman. Noor Jahan. Ram Kishore Sharma. Ruchika. Sandeep Kumar Kataria. Shandha Jagannath. Shandeep Chaudhary. Shafqat ul Islam. Shalini. Srijita Sinha. Shubhadeep Sarkar. Shukarna Bhatta. Okay. No, पहले Sujata Ram Krishna. Shukarna Bhattacharya. Sunil. Vipin Kumar Sharma. So I hope everybody got their certificate. So there will be lunch, maybe another half an hour or so, or 45 minutes there will be lunch. So just wait for you to have the lunch, and that ends this program. And whoever is staying in the guest house and hostel, please settle your bill there, and hope we will see you here again at some point of time. Thank you very much.